A very good morning to one and all present over here, respected dignitaries, Dr. Dharmendra Mandalia, Professor Rajesh Patelji, Professor Milind, and Dr. Neha Patni, and other invited guests, students, and my fellow colleagues. Thank you for giving me the opportunity to speak on this international seminar on catalyzing diversity in the science. Today I'll be speaking about STEM for all, nurturing diversity from classroom to career. So what is STEM? Before starting with the detailed analysis about STEM. So STEM means science, technology, engineering, and mathematics, which indicating the programs that allow the just training in related scientific, technical, and engineering fields. When we adults think of education in science, technology, engineering, and maths, that is STEM, we tend to focus on all those that goes into pursuing a career in these fields. But when children talk about STEM subjects, they seek generally the opportunities that they get to explore. So why STEM? Actually, STEM has many benefits. Like if we talk about a STEM education, it teaches the students to be curious, innovative, experiment with new things, and solve complex problems. And there are so many job opportunities related to STEM, where they can work with even the companies like Google and Tesla. They can travel the world, let it be Canada, US, and all. So there is good scope for industrial networking and in the internship opportunities also. And the STEM graduates, they have a higher pay comparatively with other fields. And they enter in job itself and earn over $80,000 to $90,000 annually in general. And even after graduation, they will be working at company into like very innovative and groundbreaking technology, putting forefront of your field. So many universities are also well known for their well-rounded curriculum beyond classroom engagements and learning. So if we discuss about the skill set of STEM graduates, like let it be a technical skill set or personality development, they have good problem solving and critical analysis skills, creativity, innovation skills, research skills, high productivity. They are good in decision making, managerial skills are better, communication skills, teamwork, and leadership qualities they have. In today's advancing technology, the STEM are forefront of innovation and economical growth. And it is for the students of low-income districts to develop necessary skills and knowledge so that they can thrive in the 21st century workforce. Or we can say STEM means it's fundamental to the way we live. It provides even for the students the pathway to acquire highly sought after skills in the job market, and even bridge the achievement gap between students of low income districts and their counterparts in more affluent areas. Nurtures innovation and creativity, and it opens doors for the higher education opportunities also, even for the students those are from low income backgrounds. Many colleges and universities offer scholarship programs to support these students. According to US Bureau of Labor Statistics, STEM occupations are projected to grow 8.8% between 2020 and 2030. We can go into the analysis. We can see. So these are the employment projections. we can see the occupations, STEM occupations and non-STEM occupations. So this is continuously increasing. The study by National Science Institute reveals that the STEM professionals tend to have higher earning potential than those in non-STEM fields. 33% of women who work in science, technology, engineering, and maths fields earn on average of 33% more as compared with their counterparts in other fields. Even they can equip students with the tools to tackle complex societal challenges like climate change, healthcare disparities, and technological advancements. And mostly it is project-based learning, building a simple machine, let it be a complex as coding a website or designing a robot. Even National Math Science Initiative offer a suite of free classroom ready STEM lessons also. Multiple science, English, maths, elementary and AP lessons are available. Even TED education, TED education is also there, and for this STEM courses. YouTube teachers, one of the options are there if you want to study. Even MIT open courseware are available where we can study. Free classroom study, let me show you the free classroom study options. So we have so many courses, science lessons, English lessons, math lessons for students. There are so many options if you want to go for the STEM study under this. These are all free of course programs, National Maths Plus Science Initiative. There are so many fields also, interesting fields of study under STEM. Like I want to discuss few of the latest fields where studies are going on, like soft robotics, technology that stimulates senses of touch and motion. It is nothing but soft robotics. It can help ensure safe human-robot interactions. So it's one of the interesting field of study. Even seeing inside the metal 3D printing with X-ray vision, it is used to capture process dynamics of additional manufacturing or 3D printing. Again, a global market that is expected to be of high worth. Another field I could find is process intensification in the chemical industry. You can say micro and milli chemical reactors, which is a recent development that takes place in small reactive zone, significantly decreasing the required materials and energy transport length scales. And it results in the better control of processing environment, precise temperature control, excellent mixing, substantial reduction of risk and all. So this is one of the interesting field under STEM. Another field include stem cells and gene therapies, where the discussion is done for the cell and genes. And cellular agriculture is there. The startup farming fat on cellular agriculture focuses on how to grow meat. So it processes that, it produces muscle cells to create meat are one part of the solution and all. And there is chemical engineering in physiology and clinical medicines. So chemical engineers have a better important role to play in this, using body's chemical factory, the liver system and all. So the need for systems approaches to modeling complex chemical physical interactions at multiple scales in the living systems. Another latest studies, as the name is very famous, vaccine manufacture, study of challenges involved in making vaccines safely, cheaply, and sustainable technologies. And one more field is radiation physics in medicines, where we can apply to the medicine to create groundbreaking new treatments such as radiotherapy and proton beam therapy, which is used to even treat cancer today. And computational modeling is used to rehearse medical interventions and improve outcomes. And generally, these are used to optimize interventions and eliminate adverse effect of personalizing to a great extent, getting right intervention for each patient, each single individual patients. The world of petrochemicals for chemical engineers. And of course, it produces a role of chemical engineers again with focus of sustainability, crunching the numbers and how data science improve manufacturing. So that how it is going on. And another interesting field of study I could find is how fuel cells work. Fuel cells, it is an efficient and clean way of generating electricity for a wide range of uses from a direct electrochemical reactions. So this study is very interesting, and even it involves the disciplines of chemistry, physics, electrical, chemical, everything. So fuel cell is an important field of study. And biocatalysis, the engineering and sustainable future, and smart technologies for sustainable buildings. These two fields are also very interesting. The smart technologies for sustainable building tackle the climate change and create sustainable buildings. Like they focus on electronic and electrical engineering, and then they tackle the climate change and create better sustainable buildings. Designing, cleaning, and efficient sustainable future cells. They'll be sourced from waste, coffee, or genetically engineered microalgae to replace the fossil fuels in difficult to decarbonize transport sectors and help provide cleaner air. Another field of interest is water resources in green hydrogen production. Green hydrogen production integrated with renewable energy usage and has potential to support clean energy transition in the near future. This will explore the potential sources required water, including accessible fresh water, seawater, wastewater, and all, to meet our future demand for green hydrogen. Another one is acoustical engineering. It is nothing but the science of sound and vibration. It is a special knowledge of sound, vibration, and engineering applications together with core knowledge of mechanical engineering. It is a field of mechanical engineering, actually. It is very interesting study under STEM. And even engines, how engines work, explore how they will continue to be important as we move towards the decarbonization. Machine learning, it's very famous, and it is the potential tool for disease diagnosis. How machine learning algorithms can be reliable, cheap, and quick tool for the disease diagnosis. And nano biointerface, it is a new methodologies and scattering approaches to generate and characterize nanomaterial liquid crystal composites. So there are so many interesting courses, and if I talk, the courses which are available in India, but USA is very famous for the STEM courses. I could find around 30 courses which is going on under STEM, which includes even the architectural engineering, biomedical technology, chemical engineering, clinical and industrial drug development, data science, forensic science and technology, genetics, computer and information science, and mechanical engineering, molecular biology, nutritional science I could find, pharmacology I could find. There are around 30 courses in USA which is there for under STEM. There are top-ranked universities also in USA where they are focusing on the STEM courses. The Tanton School of Engineering is very well known for science and information technology courses. And there are so many universities you can find where there are the STEM courses which is they follow. Even the Columbia University, you can find out Stanford University you can find. So they have so many STEM courses under engineering, mathematics, technology, material science, etc. There are some requirements also for applying to STEM courses. A complete undergraduate degree you should have, and valid English proficiency test scores you should have, like IELTS, TOEFL and PTE. TOEFL means it's test of English as foreign language, as you know. IELTS is abbreviation for International English Language Testing System. PTE is nothing but Pearson test of English. So we need to have a good score for this to get into the STEM courses. And even GMAT and GRE scores. GMAT means Graduate Management Admission Test, and GRE is Graduate Record Examination. So these scores are also important in case if you want to get into the STEM courses. And of course, if you want to go for USA, so that needs a visa also. The GRE, GMAT is required to be part of application STEM courses in USA, but there are few where the universities waive the GRE requirement. There are some colleges and universities where we don't need GRE. Without GRE, we can get into the courses. There are 1 year STEM courses also at USA. 1 year STEM courses on biology, mathematics, statistics, aeronautical engineering, and all. Different universities do this. These courses are under following universities. You can see the university aeronautical engineering is in California Institute of Technology and all. You can see. So there are 1 year STEM courses also that are available in USA. So to conclude, experts agree that the STEM will drive new innovations across the disciplines, and it will surely find some creative way to find across the disciplinary silos to solve big challenges. And if we talk about our nation, must continue to design and build a thriving innovation economy, which is supported by STEM enterprise. And to succeed, of course, the nation must invest in new research and innovation infrastructure that include all peoples. And of course, it should be an essential step toward the brighter future and more innovative future, empowering all individuals with tools, supports, and opportunities. We can build a diverse and inclusive tech industry that thrives the strength of varied perspectives, challenges, creates a world where each and every individual will have a unique contribution, which is of course valued. So that's all. Thank you, everyone, and thank you for giving me, thank you once again for giving me this opportunity to share my views. So my topic was STEM, and I tried to share my views and my knowledge with you. So we can think of STEM courses, and we can have creative, innovative courses you can join, and you can learn more, and you can earn more. Thank you so much. Thank you, everyone.